because my day is not good enough, it's better for me to create a video tutorial because my internet connection is almost zero visibility. So it's better for me to create a tutorial. So now if you can join me. If you wanna join, you can join me, and I can teach you some guitar chords. So I create this tutorial for you, for beginners. But if you're a pro, you can skip this video. So don't forget to subscribe or follow Axki TV Guitar Lovers on YouTube, and then Ciriaco Garcia on Facebook. So now let's proceed. Our lesson is ninth guitar chord. If you don't know the ninth guitar chord, so I simply giving you some example. So we will start from the C and apply the ninth chord. This is the C9 guitar chord shape. This is a mute, not include. This is the C9 guitar chord. By the way, I will give you a formula of this first chord, C9. The root is the C. Please remember, take note, the root is the C note and the major third is E. And the perfect fifth is the G. And the minor seventh, D flat. And then the major ninth, the D. This is the Z9. So I wanna give you another another chord that is the D9. So you can adjust the fret. Of course, from the D note on the fifth fret. This is the D9 guitar chord. And let's proceed to the E9. This is the simply easiest 9 guitar chord of E. But also you can play in this part, same as on the first pattern. This is the E9, and I'm giving you another chord, the F9. This is the F9, and the next is the simplest shape, the G9. This string A, open A not including to this shape. This is the G9. And then A9, this is the A9. It sounds like major 7. A9. And then the B9, same shape of the first, the C9, but the fret change in the fret, move forward from the second fret. This is the B9 guitar chord. Alright, this is our lesson. I hope you enjoy and you got this video. And thank you for watching, and rock and roll.